Here we have an Audi A4. It's a 2017 Audi A4. Now this belongs to our good friend Ash, who basically owns the eyewear factory in Southampton, down on the Shirley High Street. Really nice guys. So if you ever want sunglasses or glasses, go and have a chat with them. You've got Ash there and Martin. Very approachable, and definitely recommend them. So what we've done here is a reverse camera that integrates into the factory MMI system. So the camera itself replaces the actual boot lid button. So is that button there that opens the boot. The whole thing is now an integrated camera. So it looks factory. That's how the factory system works. Show the car itself. That's the factory MMI system. So put into reverse. Now you see, it goes into reverse. It's got the guidelines that moves with the steering wheel as well. And on top of that, you have the factory parking sensors. So close the door, just show you this. So we go back. So those factory guidelines still work as well. You go forward, obviously the camera goes off and it just reverts back to how the Audi system works. But obviously when you put it into reverse, our camera activates. And that's a factory integrated reverse camera installed onto this Audi A4 2017 model that works with its MMI system. So it all looks OEM, and even the camera looks OEM. So if you ever require this sort of system, just give us a call and we could give you a quote.